Hello everybody, this is Sir Mac. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very simple tutorial on how to see photos even though you are in a free Facebook mode. So some of us really want to see pictures, but the problem is we're just using Facebook for free and we cannot see photos in a free Facebook mode. So here are just the simple steps that you can follow. All you need to do is go to any browser installed on your phone, or just like mine, the Chrome browser. So now in your profile you can see that there is a line saying see photos. So here's the highlight. So you need to find any post that contains a picture, just like this one. Remember that your browser has a function to zoom in and zoom out, just like mine. So here's the important thing. All you need to do is to click the share button. So I'm clicking it now to see the picture. So while zooming in, you can really see the picture. Can you see it also? So I can read it as respect your teacher. So let's try one, another one. So I have here another post that contains a picture, so we can see faces. Okay, next. Okay, so see, you can still see pictures even you're in a free Facebook mode. So that's all for now. I hope I have helped you in your dilemma. This is very important for those who really want to see photos on Facebook, because you don't have any load, right? Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.